guys, hi besties, hi natural lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today we're going to be talking about my 2 months challenge in using fenugreek seed. Like, yo guys, literally yo, my hair is doing amazing. Anyways, stick around to watch and to hear all I have to say about fenugreek seed in this particular video. Don't forget to give the video 8 thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, like, share and comment, and let's get started. Love, I didn't jot anything down, so I'll just be telling you guys from my head and all. That is how I tell you my real feelings. Yes, so I did my first ever video of doing fenugreek seed. I'm going to be attaching a picture of it here. Okay, so that was the first video I did fenugreek seed, and I did a research about fenugreek seed before I started the 2 months challenge. Okay, so when I did the research, I saw that fenugreek seed has more potential in growing out my hair and strengthening my hair, giving my hair a lot of volume, and I decided to try it out. That is why I did that 2 months challenge, and yo, the results was given. Have you seen the video where I loosed my hair and show you guys my length and the rest? The video should be up before this particular one. Do where to check that video out. Yeah, so my hair literally grew. Like, I could not believe that my hair could grow that in that space of 2 months that fast. Okay, I don't know if it was the routine I did, because the routine I did, I mostly used fenugreek. Every tea, every deep condition I was doing, I was putting fenugreek seed. The only deep condition I did not put fenugreek seed was when I did an egg treatment. Okay, that one I did not do fenugreek. I did not use fenugreek seed for any of that. But from day 1 till the end, I used fenugreek seed throughout, and I was so amazed by the result I have after using fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is a very, very powerful, unique hair spices that you should use to grow out your hair. You can mix it with a lot of things. You can mix it with cloves. You can mix it with cloves, rosemary. There's a lot you can mix fenugreek seed with. So on this challenge I did not use clove. I stayed away from clove entirely. So I used fenugreek seed with rosemary, lavender, with a lot of things. You guys saw others in the channel. So it was literally awesome using fenugreek seed. Did they smell? No, I didn't really have a foul smell on my hair. My hair texture is more stronger. My hair feels more strong. Like, when I touch my hair, I know that is it density or what of my hair. How will I place it? There's a word I'm trying to use. Okay, I feel my hair is fuller. Okay, it's not as before, and I feel my hair, there's a lot of change in my hair right now. Doing this 2 months challenge, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. It helps with length retention. Okay, it helped with length retention. It helped in keeping my hair in check. And will I be doing it again? Of course I'll be doing it again. I've done like 4 months in a go of doing mini braid. I wish I knew about mini braid earlier on when I started my natural hair journey. I think maybe my hair by now will have been more longer and less breakage. Do I have breakage? Yes, I have breakage, but not as much as before, when I always do 2 weeks and lose my hair. Not as before. Will I be doing it again? I said earlier on, yes, I will do it again. And the next challenge I'll be doing after this particular, that when I braid my hair, the next challenge I'll be doing is a no hand front edges challenge, because I got a lot of questions about my edges. Why is my hair growing? My edges is not growing. I feel my edges is a bit it's a bit difficult, and the subscriber was like, maybe I have a particular kind of syndrome of touching my edges. I don't know if I have that kind of syndrome, because I hardly touch my edges. Only time I touch my edges is when I'm putting spray or I touch my edges, but when I'm not doing anything on my hair, I don't really touch my front edges. So maybe I'll just do a no touching edges challenge, in the sense that when I'm putting spray on my hair, I will not spray my front edges. when I'm putting oil on my hair, I will not massage my front edges. I'll try to keep my hands off my front edges. And the also subscriber also suggests maybe I should use like gloves on my hand when touching my hair. I don't see if it's going to help, because even if I use gloves on my hand, if the hair want to fall, it's going to fall. There's nothing that's going to stop the hair from falling. So maybe what I'll just do is to stick to not touching my edges for the 2 months I am going to embark on again, and we'll see what is going to happen. But I know that in general, my hair literally grew. The texture of my hair has changed. The length of my hair has changed. The volume of my hair has changed. Fenugreek seed, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. It's literally worth it. And I'll be adding more fenugreek seed in my teas, in my deep condition. I'm adding more fenugreek seed with other spices as well. I'm thinking of doing fenugreek seed and cloves should be my 2 main ingredients. Then I'll just supplement something else to them, but mostly fenugreek seed and clove will be my main ingredient for my natural hair routine, because I've done clove and it did work for my hair. I've used fenugreek seed and it did work for my hair. So I'm testing around spices that I know that is working on my hair. So now I know that fenugreek seed works on my hair. I will put it on every little tea I do. Okay, you're gonna be seeing fenugreek seed a lot. You're gonna be seeing cloves a lot, because cloves have worked on my hair as well. So any other tea, and rosemary has worked on my hair, so I'm adding rosemary as well. So I'm doing all this, using these 3 spices as my main ingredient, then supplement something to it to boost it more. Then another thing I did in this my 2 months of using fenugreek seed was MSM. I just started using MSM. It's not up to a month I use MSM, and that thing, yo guys, that thing literally it helps to push the DIY you use, or to activate the DIY you use faster. Okay, because I know when I did before I did this fenugreek seed and the rest, my first 2 months challenge, the growth from my braids to my hair was not that much. But this one, the fenugreek seed, using fenugreek seed and using the MSM as well, the growth was much. Okay, like the ending of my hair, like let's say this is the growth I had, and this is where I made my hair. So this place was a bit tight, like there was a knot on it. I don't know why there was a knot on it, but from here to here there was a lot of growth. And when I loosed my hair, as you guys saw from the video, I had to like be gentle enough to remove the what I call it, knot at the end, at the extreme of my hair. Just I don't know if I'm gonna. So let's say from here to here was growth, and here was a bit tight. So I had to like gradually pull it up. Maybe it was because of the 2 months carrying the hair, one maybe, or the teas and deep condition I'll be doing that got stuck there, maybe. But it was different because when I did the first 2 months challenge, I didn't experience that. So this second 2 months challenge, I experienced it. So I was like, maybe it's the MSM that caused that, or the fenugreek seed that caused that, or the DIYs I'll be doing that caused that. I don't know. But anyway, it's when I separated the hair carefully, I didn't have a lot of hair loss than my first 2 months challenge. Because my first 2 months challenge I had a lot of hair loss. This particular 2 months challenge I didn't have lots of hair loss. So I think braiding your hair helps to retain hair length as well. Yeah, so guys, this should be the end of the video. I don't think I have any much thing to say. Is fenugreek seed good for hair growth? Yes, it is. Will I be doing it more? Yes, I'll be using it as my treatment more in my upcoming hair tutorials. Then for the MSM, will I be using it? Yes, of course I'll be using it, because I've used it for an oil, and I've used it for deep condition, which it works so good. I've used it for spray, which it works so good. So I believe that you should also implement MSM, yeah, in your regimen. Yeah, so yeah guys, I have talked a lot of ranting. I hope you enjoyed my discussion about using fenugreek seed on my hair. Okay, because I'm definitely recommending you should try fenugreek seed. If you've not tried fenugreek seed, please try it out. Your hair is gonna literally enjoy it. Do the tea, do the the deep condition. You can do the leave-in condition by using flaxseed to do a jelly form. Okay, you can also do the butter if you want. I didn't do butter, but if you you can do the butter by doing the oil, mixing it with shea butter, and you get the fenugreek butter. It's simple to make. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share. Do you see a difference in my hair previously from 1 month before and now? For me, I see a lot of difference in my hair, in the density, in the strength of my hair, in the length of my hair. There's a lot of difference, and I am glad I was able to do this challenge with you all. Thank you so much for the 1,500 and counting subscribers. I literally appreciate you all. Please watch an ad. You can join my membership to help promote me, okay? And I will see you all in my next challenge. Bye for now.